Thank you for taking a moment to learn about AutoShare. In addition to referring qualified individuals one at a time, posting our jobs to your newsfeed on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter is a great way to spread the word to hundreds of people at once. You'll get credit for anyone who follows the link included in your post. But remembering to share jobs every few weeks can be a real pain. That's why we created AutoShare. Set it up once and our referral engine will automatically share jobs on your behalf with the frequency and messaging you choose. You're in control, and you can disable it at any time. Our sharing algorithm favors jobs that are nearby and related to your job title, so you know that your post will be relevant to your friends and followers. After sharing a job, you can log in to see who followed your link and submitted an application. You can also see this at the bottom of the automated system emails you receive every few weeks. If you auto-share on LinkedIn, you'll need to reauthorize our app every 60 days. It's easy to do, and we'll send you an email when it's time to renew your LinkedIn authorization. Thank you for taking a moment to learn about AutoShare, and thank you for helping us spread the word.